Yes.
Ready? Hi, this is Jessica and this is Cassandra. And we are attempting, no, we're not attempting, we are making a arroz con leche. Me quiero casar.
Cojan el teléfono.
Something's happening. Well, give me 1 second. Where's the recipe? The recipe, it's in our mind. So, the way we began was we used 48 cups of milk and 2 cups of rice. Now, we're supposed to let it sit in the milk for 13 hours. But we didn't have time for that, so we left it for 5. We went to the park. Okay, yeah, 3. And then, dice que se revuelva constantemente. So as you can see, Cassandra is en una rueda.
Justin.
Okay. A la vera,
Para Justin, tú te dejas caer.
So anyway, the recipe.
Justin.
Yeah, so okay, so once batemos for non-stop for an hour and a half, constantemente, we put a little bit of vanilla.
Justin, get out of the way.
Then we have to open up the can with the can opener. Excuse me, this is a video that we're doing right now, don't worry about it. I hurry, because I think it's getting big. Okay, we need to move a little quicker. La lechera? Is this what it was?
Yes.
Tatiana, the camera's always on my face. Forget the rice. So once we put this in, we continue to bate, que bate, que bate, el chocolate así se bate, que bate. Alright, back to this. Okay, so that's that. Then we open up la crema de leche, right?
Wait, what's he recording? Just kidding.
This is very important. We're gonna get paid for this. Be very careful. This is flash. Okay. Then we put some cocoa. Even though the coconut is in a bag, I climbed the palm tree outside and got this.
I saw that. She did.
Yes. They taught me that in Cuba.
They did. She went on there on vacation.
Sure.
Cuban cookie.
Okay, I think that's good.
That's good. And then we just bate, que bate, el chocolate, que bate, que bate. And then we will record in like half an hour to show you the end result. Bye. So you can stop the video now.